How to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera on iPhone. So if you want to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera on iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and you'll find an option of Face ID and password. Tap on it, enter your password. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with accessibility. Under accessibility, you need to scroll down and then go with Face ID and attention. And here you will have three options: require attention for Face ID, attention aware features, and haptic on successful authentication. Make sure that these three are turned on, or if this still doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is to check for hardware test. For Face ID related issues, open the App Store. After that, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Check My Device. So you need to go and download the application, which is Check My Device, and then it will show you if you have any problems with your camera, or if your phone has any problems, it will detect the problem. It will also check that whether your Face ID sensor is working or not. If it's all working, then just tap on OK and then proceed with the next step. If that still is a fix your problem, then you need to go with the Apple Support Center for help. Or you can also try another way, which is you need to open up your settings and then you need to try resetting your Face ID. So open up your phone's settings and then go with Face ID and password, enter your password, scroll down and then go with reset Face ID. And once you reset, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then just scroll down again, go with general, go with software updates, and update your software. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. Or just go back again and then scroll down, go with general, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and reset network settings. Once you've reset your settings, your problem might be fixed. So these were the few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.